I walked across an empty land. I knew the pathway like the back of my hand. Hi, and welcome to the channel. Let's look at the chords contained in this song. So you're gonna have the A major, composed of the C sharp, E, and A, and the bass note of A. Then you're gonna have the C sharp minor, composed of the C sharp, E, and G sharp, and the bass note of C sharp. Then F sharp minor, composed of the C sharp, F sharp, and A, and the bass note of F sharp. Then D major, composed of the D, the F sharp, and the A, and the bass note of D. Then B minor, composed of the D, the F sharp, and the B, and the bass note of B. And finally the E major, composed of the E, the G sharp, and the B, and the bass note of E. As usual, feel free to download the PDF file associated with this song. You will find the link in the description box. So let's begin by the introduction. So here's the corresponding table. So take the first chord, A major, and play it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And do the same thing for all the other chords. So C sharp minor, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. B minor, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And E major, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The whole table should therefore sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And repeat one last time. So twice in total for the introduction. Now let's look at the verse, and you're gonna have two tables, but one of them is the one you just played. So directly with the lyrics, it would sound like this. I walked across an empty land. I knew the pathway like the back of my hand. And replay the table one more time. I felt the earth beneath my feet, sat by the river and it made me complete. Okay? So you repeated this table twice, and then you will have the second table that you're also going to repeat twice, but keeping the same method. Oh, simple thing, where have you gone? I'm getting old and I need something to rely on. And repeat the table one last time, okay? Here I'm only singing excerpts since you will have the entire song in a schematic form tomorrow. Next, play this whole section again. So first table repeated twice, and then second table repeated twice as well. And after this, you will reach the chorus. So here's the corresponding table for that section. So as you can see, you're going to repeat the first section 3 times and then play the second section once. And if you have a minute, why don't we go and repeat? Talk about it somewhere only we know. Repeat again. This could be the end of everything. Then, second section. So why don't we go somewhere only we know? Somewhere only we know. Okay? So after this section, just take the second table that you used for the verse, and that's the one you will have to play next. Then play the chorus table one more time and reuse it for the interlude that's coming after the second chorus. And eventually, you'll be able to finish this song using the chorus table. I wish you good luck, and I will see you tomorrow for the entire song. Take care. Bye.